What's up, guys? I'm gonna be playing more Subway Surfers, and I saw you guys' comments. Joel XF, I think you liked my video, I think, and I forgot the other one. He said his comment was good video. I'm gonna be making another video. If you guys want me to do more Subway Surfer videos, please tell me in the comments, and I'll do more videos. Here we go. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Well, I just started, so I'm not really doing good. But yeah. If you guys haven't go checked out my other videos, please go check those out. I upload daily. I'll be doing gaming videos and reacting videos. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe. And the people who comment on my videos, shout out to you. Yeah, if you guys want me to do more Subway Surfer videos, I can definitely do that for you guys. Or any other videos, Minecraft videos. Oh guys, whenever I play Minecraft, I like the item hub thingy. That disappears whenever I play my game for when I play Minecraft for like a few minutes. It like disappears, and I have to restart the game to get it back. So can you guys tell me how to fix that? Almost died. Yeah, this video is probably gonna be short. So yeah, come on. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good right now. And I died. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Hey guys, comment in this video if you guys like the video. Guys, if you haven't, go check out my other videos. Go check out my dog catching the ball, or the Slither.io videos, or the, what's it called? What's it called? It died. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and wait, let's hit 5 likes on this video. Yeah, let's hit 5 likes. Guys, tell me in the comments if I did good, and like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.